welcome to the 5th episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to be your host. Today we have special guests with us, Tabitha and her canine Mason, and we're going to get the chance to show you a little bit more about the options we have for keeping your canine safe and healthy. We carry brands with Havas, Ray Allen, and American Aluminum. We were able to get a hold of the Team One Tahoe today that's fully outfit with the American Aluminum solution, and we can't wait to show you all about it.
Right, Mason?
So, this is our American Aluminum canine cage. Some of the great features we'd like to point out about it are the fact that it is completely welded and secured so that you won't hear all that rattling and shaking around while you're going. The windows have hinges along it, so it's easy for servicing if you need to clean it out, have a fan issue, something like that. As you can see, this one's black. Black is probably the most common color we see in our canines, or the preference, but you actually have 4 different options with these American Aluminum cages for the powder coating. So if you have a different preference than black, let us know and we'll make sure and take care of that. You also can put a divider if you're running a dual dog situation that is completely removable, so it's not something you're stuck with once you order it. Take it in and out, use it as you need it when you're carrying both those dogs. This system is fully armed with the rescue system, so it has that door popper to release your dog when you need to. It also has a paw protect system, which makes sure that when you leave your animal in the vehicle, it's being monitored the entire time until you turn that off. If for some reason your canine partner gets left behind, you can make sure and let them out because it will remind you that it's going. We often get asked why the standard color for American Aluminum cages is black, but that's mainly because we don't want to silhouette the officer when they're sitting in their vehicle on a scene or possibly observing a situation. Now, this particular vehicle is fully outfit with the CoolGuard Pro system, which not only monitors heat in the cage, but it also takes into account the possibility of it getting too cold or too humid. So that way you're able to put your settings the way you want them for your particular canine. Now, this system also has a test feature, so you can make sure each day when you go out to work that that dog's in the safest environment possible and that all your equipment is functioning the way it's supposed to. So you can simply push a button and go through the test. It makes sure your horn is honking. It makes sure that your windows will drop, your lights will come on, and your fans will come on just how they're supposed to. One of the issues we've seen recently with the delay in all the vehicles in the market is that a lot of officers are receiving their canine partners but don't have anywhere to put them because they don't have their vehicle yet. American Aluminum offers a great feature with a collapsible cage solution that you can use if you have a rental car, a borrowed fleet vehicle, or something that just isn't upfit and ready to go yet. So thanks for joining us.
Don't forget to follow us on social media, comment below for swag, and we'll see you next week on Fridays at Frontline.